So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your PC run faster. And aside from programs starting up with a PC, this person installed about 5 different antiviruses, which is very bad. Don't install more than one antivirus. It perhaps open that if one do not remove the virus, another one is going to remove it for you. No, only have just one. That is third party, because Windows on its own has its own security. But if you don't trust Windows security and you want to have third party security, don't install more than one security, because having more than one is going to affect the performance of the PC. Because all these security, take for example Avast, Kaspersky, Endpoint, and on. And having all of them installed on the PC, all these programs will be working in the background. All these ones, they are tapping from the CPU, they are tapping from the RAM. So you'll be left with little or no RAM to work with. That's why the PC will become very, very slow, because you have so many things that is going on in the background. So I've uninstalled everything except I left this 360 total security. So this person installed 360, installed Avast, he installed Endpoint, yeah, and one other one thereabouts. So don't have more than one security on your PC. Don't install more than one, just one. How am I going to make this trick? So let's go to that is Task Manager. So I use Windows X as shortcuts, then T, or you can simply right click on this Windows logo and you see Task Manager on the list, then click on it. So what I'm going to target is to target the startup items and disable everything. You look at it here, CPU, it was 100%. Now looking at this is 90%, now it's falling. This will be just 360 that is there. Yeah, look at the 360 here. See 360. So all and it continues to run in the background. Yeah. So if you have like 10 or 5 security installed, everything is going to be listed here. And it will be eating up the CPU, it will be eating up the memory. Yeah. Look at it as gone up to 100%. What is using it most? This is up and down. I use a browser. Okay, so now I'll go to startup items. Look at the top, this startup item. So everything you look at, this 360, this everything. Look at many things enabled on this PC. All right, many things, including this program. And this is based on maybe perhaps this is a virus or so. All right, so what I'm going to do is to disable everything that is on this list. Everything. Disabled. 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 That is all default. Disabled is disabled. Right. So I've disabled everything that is on the list.